Ang Barangay Beth Dance Crew! The community of vibrant Philippine folk dance originating from the Abra province in northern Luzon, specifically performed by the Ilocano people. Traditionally staged, the dance is a symbolic enactment of a mock battle between Ilocano Christians and non-Christians from the highlands. It serves as both a celebration and a display of martial prowess. The Beth Community Dance Troupe has now been recognized for its dedication to preserving and promoting the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines through dance. As they prepare to perform the sagutin, they exhibit the discipline and precision required to portray this mock battle dance, while also infusing it with the joy and celebratory spirit that the dance demands. Dressed in traditional attire and armed with bamboo sticks, the troupe will recreate the rhythmic movements and the dynamic formations, showcasing the playful yet skilled nature of this Ilocano martial dance. Ladies and gentlemen, the Beth San Felipe